Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video I will show you how to update the Zoho CRM module field based on an email template button action. So first I would like to create a one email template for my CRM account. Just go to the setting icon, click on templates, new template. So I have creating a email template for the lead module. Click on next. I'm selecting a blank template. Enter the template name, welcome email, enter the email template subject line, thank you for contacting us, and add a one button here. Enter the button name is cancel request, enter the button link, click on save the template, save to the folder. I am choosing a public email template. Click on save. My email template has been successfully created. Just go to the setting icon again. Click on functions. Click on new function. Enter the function name. Enter the function display name. Choose the function category automation. Click on create. Paste the code. Passing the CRM API request as an argument here. Click on save, and also changing the lead status as closed when the user can click on that email template button, and click on save. And after saving that function, click on three dot icon, click on REST API, enable both the toggles button, copy the API key, click on save button again, and then click on the setting icon again. Go to the email templates, open that same template again, open the button setting, paste that button, paste that copy link, sorry, and after that passing a one extra parameter. After adding add operator, you have to pass id equal, and click on save. And you have to pass lead id variable, dynamic variable. Just copy that variable, open the button setting icon. After id equal, you have to pass that copy variable, and click on save again, click on save button again, v2, click on done. Yes, just go to the leads module again, create a one new lead, enter the email id, click on save, click on send email button, go to the insert template, select the welcome email, and click on send button. Email trigger successfully. Open that email. Before clicking the cancel request button, I will show you lead status is blank. Open the email, click on cancel request button, open that response. My function has been successfully created and updated the lead status. Just go to the lead status and refreshing the page again. Yeah, so lead status successfully updated as closed. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.